Please put your hands together. आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कंफ्यूजन मत कीजिए, इसमें आपके पैसे नहीं लग रहे, फिर आपको ताली बजानी है। And now मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा because of the insufficient space बच्चे ढंग से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए, but we will hope when we will be in the final, when we will give the final touch to this performance. And on tomorrow they will give final touch to this performance. So I will hope that tomorrow they will give a very, very wonderful and a very, very tremendous performance in front of you. So now I would like to call Miss Nanda and Miss Geeta for We Shall Overcome. Put your hands together. Please give me some attention. कम से कम जानिया तो बजाओ। If she don't want to go, so let her be. Why? Do the answer to Didi, how she will be? तो इधर बैठो दीदी मैं सबको दे दूँगी I do believe. Walk hand in hand. Walk hand in hand. Walk hand in hand for Sunday. Holy Pima, I do believe. We shall overcome Sunday. We shall overcome. We are not okay. We walk hand in hand. हो गया. We are not alone. We are not alone. We are not alone. We are not alone. Someday, only tomorrow, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. Someday, only tomorrow, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. Someday, only tomorrow, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
बच्चों कैसे लग रहा है आपको? फर्स्ट टाइम आपने किया, अच्छा लगा?
क्या करेगी?
For this performance, now the little chipmunk will come within a couple of seconds and he will perform Twinkle Twinkle, Go Choohe and We Shall Overcome in front of you. He will confront you. And I would like to tell you something that he is a little chipmunk. So he will perform in front of you. So please encourage him with a great clapping and put your hands together for him. Now he will recite Twinkle Twinkle. Yes, Rahul.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Action के साथ शुरू से. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in twinkle, can you show your little light? Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle all the night.
Please listen to him.
भाग रहे थे देखा बोली नामोजी को लकार डालोगी टांगे तोड़ डालोगी घंटा बोला ने फाटक खोला सब बच्चों ने शोर बजाए आंटी जी को गुस्सा आया आंटी जी ने तड़ी उठाई सब बच्चों की करी पिटाई।
अगर ये शर्ट बाहर रही ना जूते नीचे नहीं रहे।
So now, I hope you feel well. You're feeling well by seeing all these performances, and I hope that they will perform enormously tomorrow, because today is the rehearsal. That's why we want to be able to present you the real and the final touching picture in front of you. So we will hope that tomorrow we will perform in a well manner and in a great manner. So now, performer Nisha, Himanshu and Kalpana will come here to perform Teacher Overcome.
नीचे बैठ जाए इनके साथ, घुटने के बल बैठ। निशा
चलो शाबाश चलो।
विशाला welcome, Vishala welcome, Vishala welcome, Vishala welcome, Vishala welcome someday. Oh deep in my heart, I do believe Vishala welcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. बोलो बस ना। Oh deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome. We'll go hand in hand, we'll go hand in hand someday. Oh I do believe we shall overcome someday.
तालियां इनके लिए।
So now, I think that you will get an inspiration with these guys, with this small child, that if they can perform, so you also can perform. Guys, I know very well that here you are feeling very hot. Here you are not feeling comfortable, but there is a rehearsal is going on. So I request you to please calm down. Please calm down for a while. I request you to please calm down for a while. So now I am thinking that you guys will get inspiration from these child, from these people, that if they can so now I would like to call Mr. Sahil and Mr. Anshuman to give their initial performance in front of you. Please be calm, sir. Please be calm. I request you to please come, sit on your chairs and sit tight, please. I would like to call Mr. Sahil and Mr. Anshuman for giving their incredible performance in front of you. And I will hope that you will enjoy this. So put your hands together for Mr. Sahil and Mr. Anshuman. Put your hands together. तो ये पूरा कीजिए. मानता हूँ मैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं की है, पर तालियां तो बहुत अच्छी बजाइए.
आज तुम दोनों को जमीन हुआ जब तक इसकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है.
So now,
तैयारी करो दोबारा.
so now, Akansha will perform in front of you. May I call Miss Akansha here? And I would like to let you know something. Please make your heart inflexible, because this performance, I hope that this performance will shake your heart from your body, because this is a very strong, very guttural and a very huge appeal performance. Just a minute. Yeah, so Ms. Akansha will perform, and I would like to let you know one thing only one thing. I don't want to waste your time. I know very well that some contestants are waiting for their performances. I know very well, but I would like to inform you one thing, that please be calm. Please be calm. Yeah. So now. So, I would like to tell you one thing that I'm feeling very, very emotional now by seeing a great performance, Akansha. I would like to call the next assistant, Miss Anjali for their program. So put your hands together. I'm really apologizing for that, for my mistake. Morni Baga mein, Anjali and group, please come here for Morni Baga mein.
Only Anjali. Only Anjali. बैठ जा.
students, the cutie pie of our institute. I would like to call Anamika. Sorry, I would like to call Miss Anamika, the short cutie pie, and she will say, baby Anamika. Sorry, she's a baby Anamika, and I call her cutie pie because she is a cutie pie. So she will perform here. आप बाबू की खिलौने ले लो, on the top बाबू की खिलौने ले लो. Okay, so please sit tight, okay, and enjoy the day, and take a look.